Video, we're going to take a look at how to permanently delete your Facebook account. So I'm currently logged in, and the first thing that I'm going to do is in the top right hand corner, click the triangle, and then I'm going to click on settings. So when that page loads, in the top left hand corner on the sidebar, we're going to click on your Facebook information. And then from there, at the bottom of the page, there's an option that says delete your account and information. So this is going to permanently delete your Facebook account. If we click on view. Okay, so it basically says permanently delete account. And if we want to permanently delete our account, we don't want to get it back at all. If you wanted to potentially just deactivate your account, you click on deactivate your account. And when you log back in, you'd be able to resume functionality of Facebook, but we want to permanently delete it. So we're going to click delete account at the bottom here. And we're just going to enter the password to confirm that we want to permanently delete our account. I'm going to click continue. Okay, so it's just stressing that this is a very important thing that you're doing. Please confirm permanent account deletion. So you're about to permanently delete your account. If you're ready to delete it, enter your passwords and click delete account. Once you've submitted your account for deletion, you'll have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information that you've added. So I'm going to click on delete account. It's logged us out. And that basically is how you permanently delete your Facebook account. Make sure not to log in for the next 30 days, and then it'll be final. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.